Let's all give him a warm welcome, Kaloy. Welcome to Toyota Motor Philippines Santa Rosa plant. What a pride for the Philippines and for Toyota. Chairman Akio Toyoda himself is very proud of you. Your TMP families congratulates you on your achievement. We at Toyota Motor Philippines are even prouder of you.
As I stand here today, looking at this beautiful car, I'm reminded of the importance of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Salamat rin po sa lahat na nandito today for cheering and making me feel welcome and loved.
Toyota, move your world.